In this video, I'll show you how to opt out of personalized Google ads so ads are less tailored to your interests and browsing activity. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com, then make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to adjust. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. On the account dashboard, open the Data and Privacy tab from the left menu. Scroll until you find the section related to ads and click My Ad Center. Inside My Ad Center, locate the ad personalization setting and toggle it off. When this setting is turned off, Google will stop using your account activity to personalize ads, though you may still see ads based on general factors like the content of the page or your location. This change applies only to the account you're currently signed into. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.